Nut milks are a healthy, delicious, and nutritious alternative to regular cow's milk. It's one of my personal favorites, this particular one, cashew milk. You won't believe how simple it is to make this creamy cashew milk recipe, and I'm gonna show you how, so stick around. Cashews are an excellent source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. They're also packed with magnesium, which is vital to heart, bone, and nerve health. Cashews are also loaded with copper, which is an important mineral because it regulates the production of collagen and elastin. We all know we would love to have plump, glowing, youthful-looking skin well into our later years, and I can tell you that the healthiest skin definitely comes from within. Your diet and your lifestyle are main contributors to your skin health. So eating cashews and a variety of nuts and seeds along with a variety of fruits and vegetables is definitely gonna improve your skin health. Before I go any further, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and get notified because you don't wanna miss all the healthy living content that I've got coming your way on a weekly basis. This recipe is really so simple. You just need a high-speed blender, 1 cup of soaked and drained cashews, 4 cups of filtered water, 1 to 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of Himalayan salt or sea salt. Today I'm using Himalayan salt. The nice thing about cashew milk is that you don't actually have to strain it because it is such a lovely creamy texture. You don't have to take that added step of using a nut milk bag and straining it. And the reason I love that is because you actually get to drink the entire nut. You are not missing the fiber or any parts of it. And it's so creamy and so delicious and just so easy to make. So just make sure that you soak your cashews overnight, preferably, but if you can't do it overnight, then at least 4 hours in advance. After you've soaked your cashews overnight and you drain them and rinse them, then you can add them to your high-speed blender. Add your 4 cups of filtered water, your 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of Himalayan salt or sea salt. And that's it, so simple, and just blend them up. This makes the perfect amount for a large mason jar of cashew milk, creamy, delicious, and believe me, this won't last very long in your fridge, but I do always like to make sure I add the date so I do know when it's good until. Did you know that cow's milk is one of the most common food allergens? A milk allergy is caused by a reaction to the proteins in milk, and the 2 proteins are casein and whey. Sometimes a milk allergy can also be confused with lactose intolerance just because they have very similar symptoms. Lactose intolerance is caused by the inability to metabolize lactose, and lactose is a milk sugar. This is a result of not producing enough of the enzyme lactase. As a certified holistic nutritionist, I highly recommend eliminating dairy entirely if you are suffering from any of these conditions. Autoimmune disease, any kind of chronic inflammation, any inflammatory skin issues, acne, psoriasis, eczema. I highly recommend eliminating dairy 100% for 3 to 4 weeks and then slowly reintroducing it and seeing how your body reacts to it. It can be added to smoothies, soups, sauces. You can pour them over your granola or your cereal, or you can just simply enjoy a cup of cashew milk on its own. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe and get notified because I have lots more healthy living weekly video content coming your way. And make sure you comment below and let me know if you do make this creamy cashew milk recipe. I'd love to know what you think of it. See you guys soon.